Welcome back to another session on the couch. My name is Mack Rapapali, and joining me today is the MD at Clear Access, Yaku Menard. How you doing, sir?
I'm well, thank you, Mac.
All good. So it's been a while. I haven't caught up with Yaku in some time right now. What has been happening?
Well, Mac, on the success of our previous products, Neutrino and the Quark, we've decided to launch some new and exciting products, but that'll come soon. Today, we actually want to talk about the home Wi-Fi. We get a lot of our clients complaining and saying, although the internet is great, the Wi-Fi coverage and the experience that they're getting are just not that good. So we've done some homework.
So here's the thing. I keep scrolling through Clear Access social media pages and I keep seeing Plume and Plume HomePass. What is it all about?
Well, Mac, Plume is our new Wi-Fi devices that you connect to the wall sockets in your house. The devices connect wirelessly to each other to create a Wi-Fi mesh, and you don't require any additional cable. The device is also intelligent, so it maps out and understands the rooms in your house.
So I want you to do me a favor. Visit Clear Access Plume website. You will see 4 pillars behind Plume. Yaku, can you break these 4 pillars for us and tell the viewers at home what is behind these pillars, especially with the first one, Adapt?
Mac, with Plume Adapt, the devices actually map out your whole house. It understands the areas. And using intelligence and understanding the devices like a cell phone, a smart TV, IoT devices, and computers, it forms beams and sends out the best Wi-Fi signal so that each device can get the best signal.
The second pillar is control. What is behind this one?
Mac, this is something that all our home users ask us about regularly. As a parent, I want to control which sites and content my kids can get access to, and I also want to control the time. I want to know that when they're doing homework, they can't get onto the internet. And when they go to bed tonight, they're not sitting and watching what YouTube movies. So you can control the time that your kids and your guests can spend on the internet.
So since you're talking about kids and, parents taking control of what kids watch online, the third pillar is God. Am I right?
God is actually a security feature. So we've got few malicious attacks coming from the internet. And normally homes don't have firewalls to protect. What the God feature is an online database understanding these malicious attacks. And the system actually blocks and secures your home from these malicious attacks. It also understands the devices. So if you've got a smart kettle, for instance, that's infected, the God will lock down that device and stop the threat.
Now you're probably hearing Yaku, mention the word threat. What about home security? You're probably asking yourself the same question. And the possibility of someone breaking in, is that where the final pillar comes in called Sense?
That is exactly it. The Sense feature is quite an advanced feature. It uses the Wi-Fi beams between the APs and the devices and monitors. As soon as somebody moves past that beam, it'll pick up that the beam has changed and it'll actually alert you. So, for instance, if there's movement in the house, it'll pick up that movement and alert you. It also understands using artificial intelligence what your routines are. So if your cell phones are in a set location, for instance, your room, and not moving around, not using a lot of data, it knows that you're sleeping. So any movement within the house, for instance, your child walking around in the house, it'll pick that up and notify you.
This is definitely what you need in your home. How do I get my hands on Plume?
Mac, Plume is available on our Plume website, through social media, or from our salespeople. It's also available in 2 options. You can either outright purchase the device, or you can choose a very affordable managed rental option.
Thank you so much, Yaku. I cannot wait. Surely you cannot wait for the next product. Clear Access never fails to deliver. That's a guarantee. See you guys in the next session on the couch with this man right here, Yaku Menard.
Thank you.
Peace.